I feel like I've lucked out with this residency. It's been a great learning experience so far. I think the biggest thing that separates our program from others is how much we're valued in the system and how easy it is to practice medicine. Whether it's the EPIC system, where I created my DOT phrases, which are just period and then a couple letters or sentences that key in automatic note, physical exam, information or counseling that you want a patient to have. That type of work becomes much quicker. Whether we're part of the team and getting in contact with specialists directly, whether we have that instant access to our faculty mentors, we can easily send a message and practice that ability to provide the key details and the specific question you want answered. And so you're taking your training from maybe intern level from that respect to exactly what you're going to do as attending a senior resident because you're speaking to someone who's had the training in that specialty. And I give credit to all the specialists that I've ever worked with, because it's one thing to ask a question and then just get an answer, then you do medicine as always, but it's another thing to know that the person on the other side wants to help you learn. One such example is Dr. Dimitriou of Hematology Oncology. I was taking care of somebody who had a DVT. They've been through anticoagulation for the year, and I was wondering, do we need to continue this? I sent him a message. It's around 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m. He actually calls me at 6:30 p.m. the same day, and we discussed the case for like 20, 30 minutes. He didn't have to do that, but he wanted to make sure that I knew what I needed to do for the patient. That's better patient care, but that's also just a great learning experience overall. So having all of these resources gives me a lot of confidence. When I step into the room, we can work together as a team to provide the best care possible. So in the next couple months, I hope to really study for my Step 3 board exam. But in the next couple weeks, we're gonna meet the new residents, or at least find out who they are, and I'm excited to talk to them for a little bit. So overall, I've been very happy with my experience so far, and I highly recommend anyone who's interested to apply and come join us.